Welcome to the future of ethical hacking, where pocket-sized devices can launch wireless attacks, crack networks, and secure your digital life like never before. In this video, we're unveiling 8 insane hacking gadgets of 2025 that are changing the game. Whether you're a cybersecurity pro or just curious about the tools used by red teamers and ethical hackers, these futuristic gadgets will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Meet Bug, the world's first AI-powered, voice-controlled ethical hacking device that looks like a USB stick but acts like a cybersecurity powerhouse. Designed for ethical hackers, educators, and tech learners, Bug combines Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPT integration, HID injection, and microSD storage in one compact, plug-and-play tool. It emulates real keystrokes to deliver undetectable payloads, responds to voice commands, and runs automation scripts wirelessly. No setup needed, just plug it in and start hacking ethically with voice-driven control, live scripting, and stealth operations. Bug is the ultimate tool for penetration testing, learning, and smart cyber automation. CyperPRO is a pocket-sized multi-tool built for hackers and cybersecurity pros, packed with powerful features. It comes with a high-performance Wi-Fi module to scan, connect, and manipulate nearby networks with ease. Control devices like TVs, ACs, and more using advanced infrared. Emulate a virtual keyboard to deploy custom payloads. Its sub-gigahertz module allows communication across frequencies to unlock garage doors and access points, storing all keys in one device. Extend your range with the SMA antenna input, integrate plugins, and enjoy seamless SDK compatibility. With NFC RFID scanning, external GPO input, 2FA security token, and a strong community, CyperPRO puts control and protection in the palm of your hand. ShadowScanner is a handheld cyberspace visualizer that reveals hidden digital activity around you. Inspired by the pet device from Mega Man, it passively scans Wi-Fi signals, displaying live network names and signal strength. Its dual screens let you view networks on a nodal map or see how many devices use each wireless authentication type. It doesn't intercept or decrypt data, only logs public metadata for analysis and education. With USB-C charging, 4-hour battery life, built-in GPS, and onboard storage, you can map access points, log locations, and explore your findings offline or via wiggle.net. Ideal for cybersecurity pros, pen testers, or digital explorers, see the unseen world around you. PIDGN is a stealthy, wireless ethical hacking tool that lets you drop USB payloads from across the room. Once plugged in, it emulates a keyboard to execute scripts instantly, no physical interaction needed. It hosts its own password-protected Wi-Fi hotspot with a browser-based interface, letting you launch attacks remotely. Preloaded with scripts for recon, scanning, exploitation, and more, PIDGN is perfect for red teamers and pen testers. Lightweight, fast, and fully customizable, it's built for high-impact, real-time operations in the field. HackyPi is a compact, DIY USB hacking tool designed for ethical hackers and coders to learn, explore, and experiment. Powered by the RP2040 dual-core ARM Cortex-M Plus processor, it supports data logging, encryption, and coding practice. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, it requires no drivers and supports Python for creating custom programs. HackyPi features a Type-A USB, onboard SD card slot, 1.14-inch TFT display, and a boot button for easy drag-and-drop programming via USB. With open-source hardware and versatile language support, it's an ideal educational platform for both beginners and pros in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Yubico secures your digital world, just like a house key protects your home, making sure only you can access your accounts. Unlike weak SMS or mobile-based methods, Yubico delivers strong, phishing-resistant hardware authentication. It works seamlessly across major operating systems and mobile devices, and with all your favorite apps. Just insert it via USB-C or tap using NFC to log in instantly. Once verified, many services allow your device to remain trusted, so you don't need to repeat authentication. Built to last, it's crush-resistant, water-resistant, and needs no batteries. Always register a spare key, just like your house key, for uninterrupted access and peace of mind. PinMaster 2.0 is your ultimate offline password manager, designed for maximum security and simplicity. It stores up to 150 passwords, each up to 60 characters long, including numbers, letters, and special symbols. With its ultra-slim 0.16-inch design, it fits easily in your wallet like a credit card, making it perfect for everyday carry. The high-contrast illuminated display ensures easy readability in any lighting, and even if the CR2016 battery is replaced, your stored data remains intact. Completely offline, with no internet or cloud access, PINmaster is immune to hacking, keeping your most sensitive codes safe and always within reach. Reyke Key Finder helps you locate lost items quickly using one RF transmitter and 4 color-coded receivers. Attach the receivers to keys, wallets, remotes, phones, or even pets, and press the matching button to hear a loud 80 dB plus beep and see the built-in LED flashlight flash no phone or app needed. With a tracking range of up to 131 feet, it works through walls and furniture. Compact and easy to use, Reyke is ideal for seniors or forgetful users. Designed for everyday convenience, it keeps your most important belongings just a button press away, never lose track again. That wraps up our look at the 8 most insane hacking gadgets of 2025. Powerful, compact, and designed to push the limits of cybersecurity. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Grid Zone for more cutting-edge tech content every week. Thanks for watching, and stay curious, stay secure.